Good morning, students. Today you are going to learn about the word problems in measurement. Then heading is capacity. Chapter 4. Now see the first one, the given sum. Vimal shared 500 ml, 500 milliliter of cold drinks equally to his two children. Number of children 2. How much of cold drinks would each child get? That is a question. Okay, you have to find out the amount of cold drinks that each child get. Now whether this is a word problem, so you want to write some simple steps. Okay, so the total quantity of cold drinks. Okay, total quantity of cold drinks, that is given in the sum. How much? 500 ml only. Okay, 500 milliliter. So number of children is given, his two children, so number of children 2. So you have to find out the quantity of cold drinks that each child get. That is, therefore, quantity of cold drinks each child. So you have to find out the quantity of cold drinks each child get. The total quantity is given 500 ml of cold drinks, number of children 2. So each one, how much of cold drinks would each one get? That is a question. So you have to write quantity of cold drinks each child get equal to, then 500 divided by 2. So you have to split. Okay, you can divide this total to the two equal parts. Okay, so as usual you can divide 500 divided by 2, that is 2 times 4, 1, 10, 5 times 10, so this 0 comes to the quotient, so 250. So the quantity of cold drinks each child get, that is 250 milliliter. So half of the 500, otherwise you can directly write the total is 500 divided by 2. Half of the 500 is already you know the 250 milliliter. Otherwise you can divide it in the rough column like this and then find out. So quantity of cold drinks each child get, that is 250 milliliter. 250 milliliter. This is the final answer. Is it clear? Now let us see the second sum. 25 liter 500 milliliter of milk is filled in 5 cans. How much? The question is how much amount of milk is filled in 1 can. Okay. So now you just listen. The given is 5 cans. Okay, that is more than 1. Many things are given. So you have to find out the quantity of milk in 1 can. Okay, so more than 1, many things is given, one thing asking means that is division. Okay, you have to find out that one. First, before doing, you have to read the sum 2 or 3 times and then check it whether the given sum is multiplication or division. One is given 5 cans asking means, okay, the quantity of milk in 1 can. So you have to find out the quantity of milk in 5 cans. Means you have to, one is given, more than 1 asking means you have to multiply. So here the 5 can, many things are given, one thing asking means you have to divide the given number. Before division you have to convert this one. So 25 liter, okay, 25 into 1000, 25,000 plus 500, you have to add this 25,500. This is the full number. So now you have to take quantity of milk in 5 cans. Okay, otherwise amount, in the question they are given amount. So amount of milk in 5 cans. How much? Given 25 liter 500 milliliter. So you have to find out how much amount of milk in 1 can. Okay, amount of milk in a can. A means that is 1. So division, 25,500 divided by 5. So number of can here 5. So divided by 5. You can do the division as usual, division only. Okay, you have to do this division and find out the answer. Now as usual you can do the division. 25, you can convert this one, 25,500 divided by 1000. Okay, usual division only. You have to divide this, divided by 5. Now let us take the 2 means that is 1 digit smaller number, so can't able to do, so you can take the 2 digit 25. So 5 times 5 5s are 25. Here subtract 0. Here bring down the 5. So here also 5. So 1 time only. So 1 5 is 5. Here subtract 0. Then this 2 0 comes to the quotient. So the final answer, that is 5,000 and 100. So you have to divide it, split this number to liter and milliliter. So ones, tens, hundreds. So this one 100 is a milliliter. This one 5 is a liter. So in this sum, so the final answer you can divide by, so amount of milk in 5 cans that is given 25 liter 500 milliliter. You have to find out the amount of milk in 1 can. Here means 1. So you have to divide the given number. Before division you have to convert. So you can join this one, 25,500 divided by 5. So as usual division only. Your answer is 5 liter and 100 milliliter. So 5 liter and 100 milliliter. This is the amount of milk in 1 can. Final answer 5 liter 100 milliliter. Is it clear?